We introduce a novel approach for fast and intuitive, interactive authoring of urban layout. Our method is based on the observation that cities develop in small increments. The urban layout includes various layers, including terrain, roads, blocks, lots and buildings, jobs and population. The urban layout will be initialized by terrain, jobs, and population, which can be provided by a simulation or painted by the user manually. We use this motivation of small changes to create a set of basic atomic brushes for urban layout modification. We design a user-friendly graphical user interface for the system. The urban layout simulation is displayed on the right, and the left part shows the function menu. The menu is organized by urban generation, display options, large-scale operations, brushes, and brush attributes. In this section, we will introduce the function of basic atomic brushes and their attributes. We designed 6 brushes for urban modeling. The repulsor brush pushes people and jobs from the impact area to the influence region. We can change the effect of the brush by changing attributes like the size of the impact and influence area, the amount of the changes, or the impact targets. The attractor brush moves agents from the influence region into the impact zone, causing buildings in the inner area to grow at the expense of those in the outer region. Another attribute of these brushes is its style, which can be uniform or Gaussian. The drag and drop brush allows to move people and jobs from one area of the city to another. An attribute of brushes that can add more realism here is the option to use travel time distance computed along the road network. In addition to the attributes presented above, you can choose to enable neighboring buildings to merge together automatically as more population moves into them, or large buildings to split into smaller ones as population moves out. The break brush removes all the lots, blocks, and roads in the impact area and takes care to relocate jobs and population to the influence area. The road add brush will create a road by connecting 2 road nodes. If the new road passes through an existing block, the latter is split and the lots, buildings, jobs, and population are handled accordingly. Finally, the lock brush serves as a mask and prevents the painted lots to be affected by the other brushes presented above. This gives users a finer control over the urban layout. It is also possible to lock all lots of a type, like parks or offices. The atomic brushes can be combined to allow for large-scale operations. We present 3 useful large-scale functions. The Reconnect brush uses space colonization to recreate parts of urban layouts. By changing attributes, users can change the style of an urban layout, the distribution of road reconnecting directions, and the density. The Reconfigure function will detect illegal areas, such as high terrain slopes or buildings in the water, and automatically reconfigure the urban layout using local operations. The Shrink and Extend functions will automatically modify the urban layout by calling local operations to shrink and extend the city while keeping the general urban structure. Here are some results generated through the user study. We observed that participants with different modeling and graphics experience can all successfully create beautiful urban models through the template. The following are more results generated by users. Thank you.